Okay, so the final step now is putting all the elements together, arranging them so that I'm happy with it. So I'm not really happy with this mezzotint that I tried, so I'm going to turn that layer off. Going to turn my this one on with the extrude tool that I use, but I think it's a bit dull with just the grey, so I'm going to go back to my colour version and see how that actually looks with the stylize and extrude, but I need to have that layer selected, otherwise it won't work. So let's see, filter, stylize, extrude. And you can play around with the size of the pixels as well. Okay, so something like that. Now, the title is there, the author I can read. I cannot read the title and author on the spine, so I'm going to have to go back and change that. So I select the spine, select the type tool, triple click on there, and maybe select the orange. There we go. So at least that matches the front. It's still very hard to read. So perhaps I'll go back and select another color, like maybe even black. I try to avoid black. So there, that is, at least you can read that, and it does tie in with the back. So I could leave the back text black, or I could select it all and I could have the text white. Let's see how that looks. Bit hard to read, and I think if at least I have it black, it ties in with the text on the side. So then I am going to save it. So File, Save As. I'm going to save it as a TIFF file. Now, a TIFF file is my working file. It means it keeps the layers, and it means I can go back and rework it and edit it. So I'm going to save it like that first. Yes, I'm going to save it on top. Just go, okay, don't worry about changing that panel that comes up. Then I'm going to save it in another format so that I can paste it into my Google slide. So File, Save As, and then you're going to save it as a JPEG, and that will allow you to save it into your Google file. So save, and I will probably have maximum quality. Okay, there we go. So we're done. We've got our page layout. We've got it all sorted. You can paste one into your Google slide and you're all done. Okay, thanks everyone.